In this video, you'll learn how to execute review workflows using Breeze Document Management for Confluence. Executing a review workflow means that Breeze scans spaces for outdated pages and labels them either review required or archivable based on the configured workflow rules. In addition to flagging pages, Breeze also generates detailed reports and notifies the responsible users. Let's take a closer look, starting with manual and then automated workflow execution. Manually executing a workflow is useful if a space hasn't been analyzed yet, or if you want an immediate report of its outdated content. If you have the required permissions, open the Overview component for your space. Click Analyze Space. Then select Analyze Space now. Breeze will scan the space and label pages as either review required or archivable, according to the workflow conditions. Before we explore reports and notifications, let's take a quick look at automated workflow execution. While manual execution is helpful for ad hoc checks, most review workflows should be handled automatically. By default, Breeze runs all assigned workflows every 4 weeks on Sundays. This ensures that your spaces are reviewed regularly without manual intervention. You can customize or disable this schedule in the global app settings, but please note that only Confluence admins have access to these settings. To help you stay on track, the app's main menu displays the number of days remaining until the next automatic execution. Whenever a workflow runs, manually or automatically, Breeze generates a report containing a snapshot of page statuses and pages to review. These reports can be found in each space with an assigned workflow under the top-level page, Breeze Reports. Each report is made up of 2 key sections. First, a space summary that gives you a high-level overview of the overall health score. That's the percentage of pages marked as up to date, and the total number of pages in each status, including draft, in approval, review required, archivable, and excluded. Second, you'll find a list of specific pages that need attention, grouped into pages marked review required and pages marked archivable. To notify responsible users, Breeze uses @mentions, which trigger an email notification, a message in the Confluence Notification Center, and optionally, a Slack notification if configured. Using @mentions, Breeze relies entirely on Confluence's built-in notification system. As a result, no personal data, such as usernames or email addresses, is ever processed by Breeze itself. This ensures privacy by design, so that notifications stay within your Confluence environment and never pass through external servers. That's it! You now know how to execute review workflows manually or automatically, and how Breeze helps you identify outdated pages and stay on top of content health through reports and notifications. If you'd like to learn how to set up a review workflow from scratch, check out our video on setting up a review workflow, or take a look at our video on how to review pages with Breeze. Thanks for watching.